Here's my ultimate secret to making press-on nails stick without falling off. Start by placing the stick pad under a cup of warm water. The warm temperature makes the stick pad stickier. Alternatively, you can heat it with a hairdryer for the same effect. While waiting for the stick pad to warm up, use a cuticle pusher to remove any dead skin from your nails. This ensures that the stick pad fully adheres to your nail. Use a mini file to gently file your nails in an up and down motion. Side to side can be damaging, especially for beginners. Clean off any dust and oil with an alcohol wipe. Find a stick pad that fits your nail size. After applying it, use the cuticle pusher to remove any air bubbles. Before peeling off the film from the stick pad, place the press-on nail on top to check for any gaps. Gaps and bubbles are the main reasons press-on nails fall off. If your nails are flat like mine and don't perfectly match the curvature of the press-on nails, I strongly suggest adding another stick pad to fill the gap. This method effectively addresses the issue of gaps. If you want an even stronger bond, heat each nail with a hairdryer for 10 seconds. With practice, the whole process takes about 10 minutes, and your nails will stay on securely even if you're peeling potatoes. However, this can damage your nails and press-on nails, so it's just a test. Take good care of your hands and press-on nails.